Hi, I'm Rob Brown, and today we're in the machine shop at the Mercedes-AMG PETRONAS Formula 1 team, and we'd like to walk you through our top 5 features of Vericut.
Vericut supplies us with accurate machine models and templates, allowing us to have a digital twin so that we can replicate exactly what's going on. Having that confidence allows us to have accurate cut times and simulations, knowing that we can be right first time and be more efficient. Here at Mercedes, we have a need to validate our code independently of our CAM system. Using Vericut allows us to do this whilst continuing to program and being more lean and efficient. The additional accuracy and assurance we get means that expensive parts and material are never wasted, which is vitally important to us given the constraints of the F1 cost cap.
Vericut is a standalone software platform that can be integrated into any CAD/CAM software. The CAD/CAM interface allows you to seamlessly transfer manufacturing data such as tooling, modelling, fixturing and machine data. This is a huge time saving for us because you don't have to create or replicate data in Vericut. Air-cut optimization gives us the controls to speed up non-cutting moves and reduce cycle times.
The thing we like most about Vericut is that it reads the actual code that your CAM software has produced. For us, that means you're getting a second opinion that you can trust, rather than just relying on your CAM package simulation. Then you back that up with the AUTO-DIFF feature, which allows you to compare your machine part to a high-quality model and identify any gouges or excess material. This really helps in our job, as it allows us to be right first time and get parts on the car. Having the confidence to run a job on a machine once it's been through Vericut is like a rubber stamp of approval.
Together with Vericut, we're able to deliver high quality parts on time in the fast-paced environment of Formula 1.